Hello, my people. I'm back here with another quick video on vix75s. So I just want to do some quick lesson here. Just quick. I just want it to be quick and fast on this current trade I'm into currently here. And if you guys have been trading this index so far, you realize that the index has not been in a clear trend so far lately. But I think everything has changed for the past days or months now. So if you switch down to monthly time frame, you understand what I'm trying to say, because there's no clear picture on the monthly time frame. Even though on a weekly time frame it's not that clear. So what I do, analyze it based on from the daily time frame. So currently here, the trade I'm into here, I did a bit analysis from the daily time frame. So and I switched down to 1 hour time frame to take the trade. As of here, I noticed that the market will move up to this side and started falling. So here, I was expecting something like this to occur, and I drew some horizontal line on a monthly, I mean on a daily time frame. Then switched to the 1 hour time frame. When I started noticing something, maybe like a pattern on the 1 hour time frame, I know that okay, what I was expecting is about to occur. So from here to this, I noticed that the market might push up to here and started falling, because here there's been a level here. Look at this, a level of structure here, and there's still another level here. So when we switch back to the previous candle, when we flip back to this side, you realize that place has been a very key level of structure there. So let me just make it quick and fast. So I was expecting the market to move from here to this side and started falling. So the same thing is occurring also from here. If this place here, this level has been taken out from this move that occurred here, I was expecting the market to push up to this side and started falling, which is what is happening since yesterday and today now. So the market moved up to this side. So switching down to the 1 hour time frame, I started noticing some failure and some weakness for the bear to push the market downward. So what I just did my analysis from this daily time frame here. I'm expecting the market to push up to this side, since these structures have been taken out before. So I was expecting to see maybe like a respect or retest to this level, a retest occur, and it started falling. So I was expecting this already. So based on what I was expecting, I was hoping something like this will occur, and it started occurring. So most likely I analyzed the market up front ahead, not to just give me what I was looking for. Once that thing started occurring, I'll just take a trade. So I'm coming to this level here. This level here has been a level of structure from that daily time frame. So now the market moved to this side, they make a high here, but you retrace and you fail to make another high, and you see that the market started falling, making a lower low. You see all this one is more like a failure, like the market failed to make another higher high. So I noticed, okay, based on that daily time frame, if the market moves to that structure, which is this structure here yesterday when the market currently in, I noticed that okay, if the market go there and show me some any maybe weakness or rejection, any kind of chart pattern, okay, that's a signal for me to take a trade. And so far so good. I took a sell trade yesterday, and today I took another sell trade at this level here. The market was consolidating here, so I was supposed to see a breakout to the downside. So I took a sell trade right here based on this bearish candle that occur here. Though if you look at here, it is a bullish candle that took go to the upside, and we see another bearish candle down to the downside. But me, I was expecting this market to break down to the lower side, to the downside, because the market has been falling, and based on my analysis on the daily time frame, I was expecting to see a fall. So here I noticed that okay, if the market if I was expecting the market to fall from here, because if any consolidation happen, once consolidation happen, there's bound to be a breakout. So to me, my expectation was the market to break down to this downside, which is what occurred. And I took a sell trade here this morning at 2 a.m. Nigeria time. So stop loss should be any above here, TP down to this side, but I didn't set up my TP and stop loss due to the fact that I was using the minimum lot size. And on this index, you realize that you can open you can open a trade on even a cent account. Like if you have a cent in your account, you can take a trade on it. So based on that, I only took a trade. I didn't set up my TP and my stop loss. So that is that on that. From the daily time frame, I noticed a level of structure. So I had to move down to the 1 hour time frame to take my trade. Here, especially I was watching the market here. I noticed that I was hoping this market move to this side, to this upside, and retest, come down. It happened. It did exactly what I was expecting. Now I was expecting the market to move down to this, move up to this side, and started falling, which is exactly what the market is doing since yesterday and today. But before that, I already have a picture. I was expecting something. It's more like when you're trying to predict. But in forex, you predict and you have more like you wait for the expectation to play out, which is the expectation started playing out from here, which I waited for the expectation to play out before taking a trade. See, there was a high here. The market make a high here, this side here, but it failed to, make another high. Sorry, the market failed to make another high here, so it's more like a weakness. From here, you realize that after 1, 2, the market failed. Bearish candle took over like this. So it's more like the market has been on a downtrend and lower low. So here consolidation breakout, you take a trade. So far so good. Now we are waiting to see what the market will do. Will this downtrend continue, or we might see maybe like a change of direction or not? But currently I can't tell. But so far so good. That's the main reason I took this trade. So if you like what you see, just hit the subscription button, like and comment. So I think let me show you the trade so far and the profit on it. I used the lowest lot size, so it's not that much on the profits. So far so good. That's just the profit on it so far. So if you like what you see, subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks guys.